Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Today, we're going to the supermarket for a listening practice exercise. Listen carefully and learn useful phrases for your next shopping trip. Let's begin. Entering the supermarket. All right, I finally made it to the supermarket. Let me check my shopping list. I need fruits, vegetables, milk, some snacks, and a few household items. Okay, let's start with the fruit section. At the fruit section. These apples are $2 per pound? Great! I'll take 2 pounds. These apples look so fresh and shiny. Oh, I also need bananas. Should I buy the ripe yellow ones or the green ones? If I buy the green ones, they will last longer, but I want to eat them today, so I'll take the ripe ones. Let's see. Oranges. They are my favorite. I'll take a dozen. At the vegetables section. Now let's move to the vegetable section. Here's the fresh spinach. Perfect. I'll take 1 bunch. The carrots look so crunchy. Should I take a small pack or a large one? Maybe the small one is enough for this week. Oh, I almost forgot tomatoes. I'll take half a kilo of tomatoes and a few onions. These will be perfect for cooking curry. Let's grab a cucumber too. It'll be nice for salad. At the dairy section. Now let's go to the dairy section. Should I buy whole milk or low-fat milk? I think low-fat milk is better for me. I also need butter. This one is salted and that one is unsalted. I'll take the unsalted one. Oh, cheese. There are so many types of cheese here. Mozzarella will be great for pizza, so I'll take that. And let's not forget yogurt. I'll take a small pack of plain yogurt. At the snacks section, now it's time for some snacks. I really want to buy some chips, but they're not healthy. Maybe just 1 packet. Oh, look, cookies. Should I take chocolate cookies or butter cookies? I'll take the chocolate ones, of course. Wow, so many juices here. Orange, mango, apple, grape. I think mango juice is the best. At the household item section. Let's check my list again. Yes, I also need soap and shampoo. This soap really smells nice. And here's the shampoo I always buy. Should I also buy some detergent? Yes, it's better to keep 1 extra pack at home. Oh, I nearly forgot toothpaste. Let me grab one. At the discount section. Oh, wow! Buy 1, get 1 free. That's a great deal. I'll grab these biscuits right away. Let's see. Oh, the juice bottles are also on sale. Perfect! I'll take 2. Should I buy some noodles too? Yes, they are always useful. At the cash counter. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you. I'd like to pay by card.
Sure. Please insert your card.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Leaving the supermarket. All right, shopping is done. I think I bought everything I needed today. These bags are heavy, but I'm happy I finished early. Now let's go home and cook something delicious. And that's the end of our shopping trip. I hope you learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to American English with Sushil. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.